Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure keyword clustering in Semrush for SEO structure, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure keyword clustering in Semrush for your SEO structure, start by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the keyword research section in the main menu. Select Keyword Magic Tool from the drop-down options. Enter a broad seed keyword relevant to your niche in the search bar. Choose the geographic location if necessary to tailor your results. Click on the search icon to generate lists of keywords related to your seed keyword. Review the keywords presented in the list. Use the filters to narrow down keywords by volume, difficulty, and other metrics relevant to your goals. Once you've identified a set of relevant keywords, select them by checking the boxes next to each keyword. After selecting the keywords, click on the Group Selected option. Decide on the criteria for clustering your selected keywords. You can choose to cluster based on page intent, search volume, or keyword similarity. After setting your criteria, click Apply to generate clusters. Semrush will now process your selection and display the clustered keywords. Review the clusters created and make adjustments as needed. Recognize the primary keywords in each cluster, which will guide your content strategy. Take note of secondary keywords that can be targeted for supporting content. Proceed by creating content outlines based on your clusters to shape your SEO structure. Consider grouping content under main topics with the primary keywords to enhance organization. Now, use the Semantic Topics tool to find related terms and concepts that can enrich your content even further. Incorporate these semantic topics into your content planning to improve relevancy and keyword coverage. Finally, monitor performance and make adjustments to your keyword clusters as needed for optimal SEO outcomes. This structured approach will help you create a comprehensive SEO strategy based on keyword clustering in Semrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.